Hey guys, this is Steven Smith with Marinemax here in Houston, coming to you today with a 2017 Sea Ray SLX 230. The SLX is the premium inboard-outboard runabout boat for Sea Ray, pointed with good-looking upholstery. Of course, tons of storage up here in the bow section underneath of the seats here. This boat does have the optional front boarding ladder, which is nice. Really good entertainment section up there. As we come to the back, you'll see that you've got a convertible passenger seat in this boat that makes the kind of cockpit area more open and a little more realistic for hanging out with friends and stuff like that. Of course, flip up bolsters, a nice well appointed glove box here. At the helm, you'll see we've optioned this boat with the medallion touchscreen display, and of course all the luxury you'd expect out of a Sea Ray, just very well appointed. This specific boat is equipped with the Mercury 4.5 liter 250 horsepower V6 engine, which was new a couple years ago. Utilizes a lot of power but also really fuel efficient, great for this 23-foot boat. You'll see it does have the wakeboard tower on it, great for pulling skis, tube, wakeboard, etc. And a nice hangout area at the back of the boat as well with a flip-up rear backrest and a cooler built in here, as well as a flip-down swim platform. This is the Sea Ray 230 SLX from Marinemax here in Houston. Come see us today.